Hi students, today I am explain about the fifth sum of exercise 9.3 of chapter tangents and secants to a circle. This is fifth sum. Find the area of total shaded region in figure. If ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters and APD and BPC are two semicircles. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. So, we want to find the area of shaded region. Okay. How to find the area of shaded region? Observe the diagram. The area of square ABCD minus area of these two semicircles. These two semicircles. Then we get area of shaded region. Okay. So, first of all, how to write what are the given? Given side of a square ABCD is equal to 7 centimeters. This is also diameter of a semicircle. Diameter of a semicircles. Okay. So, this is also diameter of semicircle is equal to, that is also 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. This is also 7. This is also 7. Okay. So, this is diameter of a semicircle. Now, we have to find out radius. Radius of a semicircle is equal to 7 by 2, that is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Okay. So, here radius is 3.5 centimeter. Now, have to find area of shaded region, total shaded region, area of total shaded region. Area of total shaded region is equal to, how to get the total shaded region? Area of square, area of a square minus area of two semicircles. Here two semicircles are there. Okay. Area of a square minus area of two semicircles, then we get area of shaded region. So, area of a square, what is the formula for area of a square? Side into side minus, here area of two semicircles mean 2 into area of semicircle. Okay. 2 into area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Here two semicircles, that is why 2 into pi r square by 2. Okay. What is the side of a square? 7 centimeters. 7 into 7 minus, here 2 cancel, pi r square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. Here radius is nothing but 3.5. Okay. 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. So, simplify this one. 7 into 7 sevens are 49 minus, here 7 ones 7, 7 0.5, 7 fives, that is 0.5. So, now we have to multiply these 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. Okay. So, first you have to multiply these two, 3.5 into 0.5. So, have to multiply with 5, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 3s are 15, plus 2, 17. Okay. 17, 1.75. 1.75, here two decimals are there, 1, 2, that is why 1.75. then you have to multiply with the 22. Multiply with 22. So 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 5 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Okay, next again multiply with 2, same number is get 0 5 3 0 5 8 3 after 2 decimals. So that is 38.50. So 49 minus 38.50. Okay, now have to multiply subtract these two, 49.00 38.50. Here 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. So 4 minus 3 is 1. That is 10.50 centimeter square. This is area of total shaded region. Total shaded region means this one. So area of total shaded region is 10.50 centimeter square. Okay. Next time go to, this is sixth sum. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means 1/4 path of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. This is radius OB, 3.5 centimeters. If OD is equal to 2 centimeters, this is OD. OD is equal to 2 centimeters. Find the area of shaded region. Use pi is equal to 22/7. This is the shaded region. How to get this area of shaded region? Observe the diagram. The area of sector OACB, the area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OBD, then we get area of this shaded region. Okay. So first of all you have to write what are the given. Radius of a circle or quadrant 3.5 centimeters, and also given OD is equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, OD is equal to 2 centimeters. Now we have to find area of shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of a sector. Area of a sector OACB. Area of a sector OACB minus area of triangle OBD. Area of sector, this is area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OBD. Here the angle of quadrant is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay, now you have to find area of a sector. What is the formula for area of sector? X by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OBD. Area of triangle is half BH. Okay. So here x by 360 into pi r square minus here what is the base of triangle OBD? This is base OB into it is OD. Okay. Here x is nothing but angle 90 degrees. By 360 degrees into pi r square. The value of pi is 22/7 into radius is nothing but 3.5 centimeters. Radius of a circle 3.5 centimeters into 3.5 centimeters minus half into OB is 3.5, OD is 2. OD is 2. Now cancel this. 91s are 94s are. Okay. 2 2s are 2 11s are. Next here 7 ones 7 0.5s. Okay. Here 2 2 cancel. Okay. So now we have to multiply 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 by 2 minus 3.5. Okay. Now we have to multiply these three, then you have to divide by 2. So first of all 3.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, that is 1.75. Then you have to multiply with 11. Okay, 11 5s are 55, 5 11 7s are 77 plus 5 82, 2 8, 11 1s are 11 plus 8 is 19. So that is 19.25. So here 19.25 by 2 minus 3.5. Now we have to divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder, 2 12, here point, 2 6 are 12, 0 is remainder, you have to take 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder, you have to take 0, 2 5s are 10. So that is 9.625 minus 3.5. Now you have to subtract these two. 9.625 minus 3.5 means 3.500 can be written as. So 5 2 6 minus 5 is 1.6 9 minus 3 is 6, that is 6.125 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal 6.125 centimeter square. 125 centimeter square. Okay, next time go to